Hello everybody, today's project, or actually this week's project, is I'm going to put a tow bar on the front of our Cherokee. So I took the bumper off already. When I took it off, I took these bolts off here on both sides, and then I unbolted this from the frame, and then I just put that back on. I think it's easier that way. So I've made these brackets here out of 1/4-inch steel. The sheet metal on these bumpers, on the Cherokee bumpers, is really thin, and it's not a good idea to attach a tow bar to it. It's not strong enough. So I made that bracket that goes like that, and then I've got one for this side, cut out of 1/4-inch steel. Those fit nicely right there. And then my plan is, you can buy these little things at Home Depot. They're 1/4-inch thick, and I've used them for quite a few fabrication projects. They work pretty good.
They're in the electrical department.
Electrical department, right. So what I'm going to do is, show you on this side, I'm going to notch this up a little bit so that'll fit underneath there. Okay, so this will go like that, and then I'll put a gusset on both sides so it's really strong. This bracket here bolts behind the factory bumper bracket to the frame, so it's going to be real strong. This will be welded on here, and then out of those same bracketry that I bought at Home Depot, I made this little thing, and that, look back over here, is going to bolt on to the front of the bumper like that, and I'm going to paint it black so it looks nice. So that's what it'll look like. And then this piece here, this is the tow bar we're using. These bolt right here. Just bolt the tow bar right onto there, like that. And that's as far as we've got so far. Continuing on. Okay, now I'm getting ready to modify this inside bracket here that goes on the inside of the bumper. This needs to fit on here like this. That hole there lines up. So I'm going to re-drill that. I've already got it marked. So I have to drill a 9/16 hole here. And then this one, and then what I'll do is then I'll just cut this off right here. So far, this is what I've got. I told you about these brackets right here that I made out of 1/4-inch steel. I made these with, just made a cardboard template. This little piece here, which is equal to that piece, that goes under there, and then that's going to be welded here on both sides, and then this cool looking Blue Torch Fabworks gusset that I have a couple of is going to be welded here, and then I'll put another gusset, a smaller one, on the other side. So then this bracket that the tow bar hooks to will be bolted to this through the bumper and then to the frame. So it won't be bolted to the bumper at all. Check out that thunder out there. So my next step is to get these gussets welded on and drill the holes through this plate, and then we'll be ready to put it together.
All right. Time to get welded.
good practice while you're drilling holes to start with a smaller bit and then work your way up. Having a drill press is really nice. And cutting oil makes a huge difference. We use WD-40, but you can use other things.
One good squirt.
Starting up.
Go ahead, you begin.
Last size we drill out for this is 1/2 inch. Just because that's the size. What size bolts are we putting in?
Well, they're 3/8 bolts, but I'm drilling them a little bigger so I have a little adjustability.
Yeah.
That's all. Alright, I got everything done, bolted, Loctited. I wanted to see if I could show you a better view. I think that's about as good as I'm able to show it after time, but the bracket that I made goes right between the body of the vehicle and the factory bumper bracket. So I'm going to take it for a test drive behind the truck here pretty soon.
All right, guys. When we go up to Minnesota, we're gonna have the camper on, but this is our test run. Really? In your mirrors, you can't even see it?
Yeah, I can see it, but I can't really tell it back there as far as pulling it. It's so light.
That's good. These
Even when it's-
3500s.
Even when I start having something
Excellent. All right, freeway time. Test out this bad boy.